Welcome everyone, SVTWRC. We are here with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport model. The doors off. Obviously now we have the backs off and we have the top fully down in its full down configuration. Once you have your locks disengaged, take the top from the back and slide it. This will lock into place. Roll this up by putting your arms in between here. Now don't worry, because this little piston here will stop it from chopping your fingers off. So just pull it from the top and come down. On. If you see a lot of people who leave the hard top on, they'll open just the flap on the hinge here and roll with the glass going on. It's old school pickup style, old school Blazer, old school Suburban style. This is a very popular thing that I see the new 2018 JL soft tops rolling around like this. Yes, it does give you a little bit of extra height, so you do have to watch.
Shinner.
I got it on the side, so it didn't actually get me on the shin. You have the top open like this, it could build up a ton of pressure, especially when you're going at highway speeds. If you're 65 and above, 70, 80 miles an hour on the highway, you don't want to ruin this seam. It seems like it's a heat seam or some type of glue. So if you leave this flap undone and this flap undone, so that is one way to roll on the highway and keep pressure off of this plastic. It is $159. We are going to pull this whole entire thing off right now. We'll go with this back first, this back piece. Slide it out. Whoa. There's a little too zealous there. Do the Velcro, the flaps, carefully slide it out. Undo the front clips by simply pulling back on them. Now the next component of this, now this handle, when you pull it, will allow the soft top to fully retract down. Just catch it as it comes down. You can even lift it up just a touch just to get the swing gate closed fully. Hope this gives you a better understanding of the JL soft top and its different configurations. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Leave some comments down below and I'll try and get back to everyone. Stay tuned for more JL content, everyone. SVTWRC later on.